I'm going to show you how to knit the beginning of the Sophie scarf. You start by casting on 6 stitches. 3, 4, 5, and number 6.
So I have 6 stitches on my needle, the right needle, turn the work. So I have the purl stitches facing me. And I am going to knit the first stitch, knit the second stitch, knit the third stitch. Okay, so I have 3 stitches on my right needle and 3 stitches on my left needle. So what I'm going to do now is put the yarn in the front, put yarn in the front, and then having it here in the front, I'm gonna transfer the remaining stitches onto my right needle. This is how it looks. I'm gonna keep this yarn here, and then I'm gonna turn the work like this. Yarn stays here. Okay, so now what I'm going to do now is I'm gonna hold it here with my middle finger, and then I'm gonna insert the right needle here into the first stitch, and then pull the yarn through knitwise. Might look a bit funny in the back, but this is how it's supposed to look. And then I'm gonna knit the next stitch, knit the third stitch. So I have 3 stitches on my right needle, 3 stitches on my left needle. Again, I'm gonna put my working yarn to the front. This is how it looks. And then I'm gonna transfer the stitches from the left needle onto the right needle. This is how it looks now. Again, gonna turn the work, grab the right needle. This is how it looks. Insert the right needle into the first stitch. Grab the working yarn. And then I'm just going to knit the next 2 stitches. Chunky yarn. So now I have 3 stitches on my right needle, 3 stitches on my left needle, and again, put the yarn to the front. And we are going to transfer the left stitches onto the right needle. This is how it's looking now. This is how it looks in the back. Knit 3 stitches. I'm going to put the yarn to the front, and we are going to slip 3 stitches. Okay, so we can see this is coming together here, slowly but surely. And we're going to knit 3 stitches, put the yarn to the front, and slip 3 stitches. And 1 more row, so we are going to knit 3 stitches, put the yarn to the front, and we are going to slip 3 stitches. Okay, so this is basically how you work the icord edge. You have like a really nice start for the Sophie scarf. You have round, nice edges, clean edges here and there. So this is how you start the Sophie scarf with the icord edge.